Alright, welcome to another lesson video in the GIMP Learning Lesson Series. Today, we're going to do a few things, and here's what we're going to do. 1, we're going to change GIMP from being 1, 2, 3 different windows, again 1, 2, 3, to being just one window all together, okay? That's number 1. After that, we will review some of the tools in our toolbox over here. We will review some of these tools, and we'll also get rid of some of these tabs that we don't need. Okay, so we'll see over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs that we just don't need. Okay, we don't need a couple of them, and we'll get rid of them. So 1, we're going to put everything into one window. 2, we will review some of these tools, and then 3, we will clean things up over on this side of our program. So to begin, you have to have GIMP open to follow along with this video, okay? You have to have GIMP open to follow along with this video. Okay, first things first, click on this center window and just double check that it says GIMP in this top left-hand corner. Because if we click on the background, click, it says Finder here, and our options up here change, okay? So make sure you click on this center window, make sure it says GIMP right here, and then click on Windows. Boom. Okay, so if we click on Windows, we see a lot of very important options. For right now, the only option that we want is, of course, single window mode, because we're trying to get all 3 windows to be one single window. I found that many students appreciate this working in one clean window as opposed to 3 separate windows. So single window mode, and voila! GIMP is all together in one single window. Would you look at that? One single window. And we can still make things wider by clicking on the edge here. See our mouse changes. Okay. Now I'm gonna have it so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. Now, actually, before we get going on some of those tools, we're going to clean up overall. What we're going to do is take this icon with the 3 different colors, the blue, green, and the red. That's channels. We're going to drag that out, and we're going to close it. Now you see, we only have 3 left, which is what we want. Okay, but we also do not want this one. Drag it out, and close it. For the purpose of this class, we only use layers, which is a very important tab, and undo history, equally important. It tells us what we've done and where we can go backwards.